Howdy, you all. Brian, Indiana Creek Gold. I've seen a thing, a YouTube channel. Actually, you can eat these things. The guy was eating them. I was always told they were poisonous growing up, so I'm not going to eat them, but I should do more research on that because I like the wild edible things. Me and Millie, the gold sniffing dog, going for a little walk over the hill to the big claim, per se. But the main reason for our trip down here, across there, is to check our one trail cam. Most of our trail cams are the satellite ones that, well, it's not satellite, I guess it is, but it sends the picture straight to your phone. But we've got one down here that takes a card still. So we're going to check it out, and we might do some painting while we're down here. By golly. The creek is like way down. Way down. There's another giant chunk of that rhyolite. Here's my big number 13 boot on top of it. And that thing goes clear over to there. So 30 some inches across. That's just slam full of gold. Other big boulders up here. The creek, I said this used to be the bed. I mean, the old ancient riverbed all up through here. And then it's eroded down to the bedrock right through here. And also, a buddy of mine was wanting some pawpaws, and I had seen some. Damn, I should have brought the microphone. Some I used to have in them. I'd seen several of them up here that are high enough that the deer can't reach them. There was one glob of 3 or 4. There's one, but it's not ripe yet. You cannot pick these and like set it on the windowsill and wait for it to ripen, because they won't. Backwoods bananas. See, those are all, that's too hard to do still. See, a lot of my pawpaw trees, there's a bunch of them right up there, too. You need to go up the road. There's a bunch of them up there, too. Hasn't got cold enough yet. These things ain't ripe. But see, most of these are like, yay high. All these are pawpaw trees. Right in through here. All these like chest high, head high trees. And the deer munch them. Plus the coons, the possum, everything. But the deer love them. We happen to have a deer blind right over here. I've sat up there and watched deer munching on the pawpaws here. Once a year treat. Yeah, I can't believe I forgot the microphones. Dang it. Come on, Millie. Millie. Down the creek. We're going to dry land drought. She obviously figured that out because she's heading way ahead of me. Deer trail. I'm coming, Millie. Well, she was tall enough to knock cobwebs down. Spider webs, not cobwebs, I guess. But it is dry in Indiana, like parched. And do not disturb from where the road used to be. But you'll see from the last time we was up here until now how big a difference there is. Hi, Millie. Milkweed. It's even dried up. That's bad. Usually white liquid just pours out of everything. Drought conditions in Indiana. We're here. I want to play around a little bit while we're here. I think we should. I'm gonna do some panning, I guess, or sluice running. Let's do a little panning. Yeah, could utilize a bridge sluice, but I don't want to get that serious about it. Dude, I think I got my Travising tool. Alright, let me get my backpack off and trash. I about got drilled with like a extra large McDonald's cup down here one day. Was over here and somebody chucked it out. It was full of ice. But yeah, it splattered right next to me. Was down here and somebody chucked a beer bottle out too, but we were safely under the bridge. Doves. It is dove season in Indiana. Alright, let me get my backpack off, but you can see there's no water flowing through there now. There's like almost zero water going through that big cobble bar now. Yeah, hey, there's enough water over there to set the dredge up though. We got enough water here to dredge, but man, it's getting low. Yeah. Yeah, we'll scrape some material up around in here. Like I said, me and the Rain Man did pretty good. First things first, let's go check our truck here. I'll bring you back for any goodies. Alright, me and Millie just sort of picking around. I just dug a big old piece of rhyolite out from up here. Look at here. It might be growing all over it, but some coolness going on in that quartz. Yeah, we're just poking around. Back this out. the trail cam had been moved, like way moved to the side. I don't know what's up with that. I think a deer probably rubbed up against it, or a raccoon. I'm going to show y'all some of the pictures. I'm going to have to, I usually just take pictures. Look, there's another quartzy piece. So I usually take pictures, use a card reader here and just take pictures, but there's 793 pictures on here. This right through here is a raccoon super freaking highway. It's just crazy. Millie. Get over here. Come on. There's that big chunk of rhyolite. But, yeah, well, let's go over here and sit down. And we'll have a little look-see. Oh, my phone was doing some weird stuff. I don't even think I was recording all those pictures. The 793 pictures. I don't know if we went up to 300 and yeah, I don't know. I guess I'll have to look. I don't think it was recording. My phone whacked up. But there's almost 800 pictures on here. But probably 650 of them are raccoons, and we got a real good picture of a deer pushing a camera over with his face, and then it just took mainly pictures of weeds blowing leaves in front of it. So yeah, I have to relocate the camera, and like I said, put these on the laptop. There's a couple pictures on there, a couple bucks, but we'll see what's on there later. But until then, we're already down here, and yeah, we're gonna get with it. All right, let me back this out a little bit. Me and Richard worked this. Oh man, this trail's been to the hill the other day when we were down here. So I don't know whether it's rained a couple times. I don't know whether this stuff is washed in there. Seems sort of muddy, or this is what was left over, because Richard, like I said, worked over here mainly. But we're going to give it a good clean up. Oh, there's a nice little crack right there. And see if we can find a piece or two of gold. Oh, that lake goes up under there. I don't know for sure how much Richard's worked this. We're getting quite a bit of material here. We got that crack right there. Really need to get that cleaned out. There. Here's our giant snuffer bottle thing. Just suck some water up. Need a bunch more water in there. Move that over. I think we should go get a pick here. Millie. Don't have much material in there, but maybe there's a chunker. Oh, my phone is all soaking wet. I gotta pause. It won't let me pause. Come on, baby. I got water like running off my screen. Right there is sort of filled in now is the hole that I made, I don't know, 20 inches or so, 2 foot maybe, down. Trying to hit bedrock and it was just still clay. Millie, quit going over there. That's bad. I want to kick your ass. We cleaned out our, we'll show you in a minute. We got that all cleaned out. My phone got all wet and decided it needed to take a nap for a little bit. But we cleaned out our Reinhardt Dread little snuffer deal there. And we'll have a look, see. So I think this is pretty, I'm not doing very good showing y'all the look, see. I think this is pretty much all scrapings from where me and Richard was over here and cleaned it up, but beautiful evening. I can't believe the trail cam's got 793 pictures in a week. Said most of it raccoons. Millie's seeing something. What is it, Millie? Watch him, Millie. Watch him. Watching my back for bears and mountain lions. Right, Millie. It's a good dog. Alright, let's do the tap, tap, tap here. That thing got plugged up a couple times. I had wire with me though. Let me flip these rocks out of the way here. Hey, hey. Bam. Looky there. What the hell? I think I got water on my, hold on. Alright. Boo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Boom, 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 boom. Indian chunker in the pan. Oh, shiny flake. That was just a flat ass flake there. But that's what me and Richard was doing down here. We'd fill our little Reinhardt dredges up, or we'd fill a pan up, and we'd get, you know, 2 or 3 nice pieces, 4 down to 1, you know, or maybe some flour gold. But we had gold pretty much in every pan. Yep. Rain Man missed one. My phone is just not freaking focusing for some reason at all. There, see, look. It did not, it wasn't happy getting wet. There's some micro gold up there too, but a little chunky flake there. I guess it's not a chunky flake, but it's a little flake. A few pieces of micro. At least we found some gold. Mildred. God. All right, now this is gonna be heavy. This has got a lot of soft shell and clay I got mixed up in there. But I appreciate you hanging out. This wasn't exactly the video I had planned. The plan was to come down here this morning and do some high banking. But I woke up, damn, I do believe kidney stones. It happens a couple times a year. I don't drink enough water, drink too much pop and coffee and energy drink a day. But it's getting better now. It's working its way down. I don't know what that is. Oh, gone is what it is. Right, Millie? Treasure, maybe? You can see all this. Coming off there, like I said, there's just hardly no water flow. We'd have to work hard to get RPE to work out here now. To have to dam up a part of it. All right. There's still more of that clay up there. Broke down. But yeah, I was going to do some high banking, but instead we're doing this. Like I said, so I appreciate you all that are watching. Doing some simple old school panning here. Here, Millie, I'll throw you right. Go to the orthopedic surgeon tomorrow. Probably get things going on a new hip. I said, I don't know, my shoulder is killing me right freaking now. Can't shoot my bow anymore because of my shoulder. Yeah, but man, my hip goes out, it goes out. I don't know, I'm just old and broke down. I guess I'll just spin a wheel and, or do like we do on our other crap and assign a card. And just decide what to do that way. Oh no, you're getting me all wet. A little cold. It ain't cold, but it's cool. A little too cool to be getting soaking ass wet. It's been down, I'm in the 40s, 30s even, in the mornings. I think I got all the big rocks out of here, Millie. We're just waiting on the gold now. I did get a package today from Genuine Prospector and Mama Bird. He had told me that Mama Bird was making up a pay dirt bag. So, that is in the works. I will be on hiatus. I will probably go ahead and try to get a video up for Friday evening, or I might do it in the afternoon or premiere. But Megan and I are leaving. Mom is, we got her an apartment. Caregiver, stay in there with her, and she's getting moved out here in the next day or two. She's nice and healthy now, probably healthiest she's been in 20 years. But Megan and I are leaving Thursday and staying up at Noblesville. We got a couple concerts to go to. 2 nights in a row. We did that last year too. It was badass. Loved it. Concerts are sort of our thing, but we've been sort of limited on what we can do. So, yep, we're gonna go have some fun. But like I said, I'll probably try to get a couple videos made. I gotta crush some rock, and we got some pay dirt to do, so that should cover, if I have time to get the videos done, that should cover Friday, and maybe do one Sunday evening when I get home. I am like 400 hours away from my 3,000 hours, but we can do all kind of cool stuff. I can have a YouTube shop and a bunch of other stuff. So if y'all are bored or have an extra TV or computer, I got some playlists made up. I mean, I wouldn't mind hitting those hours as soon as we can, but we've been just like the subscribers. I mean, I average anywhere from like 100 to 50 subscribers a month. I mean, and we've done that for a long time, just trudging along. And I greatly appreciate it. Doing it the all natural way. But, like I said, if anybody wants to help out with a few hours, I would be appreciative. I'm so close. And, Millie, I'm busy right now. And we'll discuss it on another video, because I'll get hit on this one. But we're doing that pay dirt video here shortly. We'll discuss that YouTube algorithm deal, especially for you newer channels. And we're working on, I think we're 80 some people away from our 2K giveaway. Oh, Millie, you're ridiculous. I need to get stuff lined up for that. I've talked to a couple people that is going to donate some prizes for that one. We did get into some garnet sands anyway. See, when I'm using them, when I'm panning off a lot of material, I like to have it flat. You know, and so I utilize that whole big ass sluice across there. Okay. I mean, and we could be transferring and using the smaller stuff now, but I don't usually. I still want to rely on those big riffles to catch what's in there. But when I get down to the nitty gritty, like I said, I sort of funnel it there. And thing about these corners, that gold sells right down in that corner. The same concept, I don't know what the hell they call them, those big, I've seen, who is it, Bogus or whoever, I don't watch them a whole lot, but one of them guys used those big round, looks like a old cartoon oriental hat upside down. That's just like a cone deal. So it's sort of the same concept. Oh, I just scared a crawdad out. In a minute. Guardians of the Gold. But you got all around here, you know, that low point, that one low point for that gold to settle in. In theory, most of that gold should be right in that corner. I wonder if light would help. Hold on. Something's going on. Oh, my phone is just, something popped up about wide frame, can't turn flash on. Yeah, so I don't know what this video is going to look like. Hopefully it ain't a small deal like the other one. I apologize for that. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Like I said, it did not like getting wet, obviously. See if I'll even zoom in here. Can't zoom out or in this mode. I don't know what the hell is going on. I have no clue what. I see it's still telling me I can't zoom her in or out, and I just changed it. Son of a bitch. Excuse the language. Got a big rock there. Nothing more satisfying than spending an hour or two making a video for to share an experience with y'all and it go to crap. Piece of lead, couple pieces of shot there. A big chunker? No. But there is, God, why can't I zoom in or out? Oh, blah. I don't know what the hell's going on. Just slung gold everywhere if there's any gold in there. Yeah, this is not going well. The water was up inside my charging port. Hey! But I can't zoom in on it, but I seen gold. Quite a bit of gold, looks like. Yeah, the rain man left us a little bit. I don't know if you can see it at all. I don't know. I got some critters crawling on the back of my neck. Never a good thing. That's something weird. Not like I can freaking zoom in on it. We've got a $high digital camera that does video. I do believe we've got a regular, like, little camcorder thing. I got a brand new tablet that does video and is like the highest memory on an Android tablet you can get. I should maybe utilize some of that stuff. No, he's waiting patiently for us to get the gold. Well, there it is. And I said you can't see it worth crap, but there's several. There's a bunch of, you can't see it. Oh, I can't zoom in. But there's a bunch of flour gold up there too. I apologize that this video has just went to crap. But yeah, there's a couple of decent, one little chunky piece, a couple of decent flakes. Got a nice little flake over there. So definitely worth the time. I've somehow got water in my boot. You can see my jeans where it seeped on through there. I need to go up home. Megan wasn't feeling good. So I need to get up there and fix supper. I appreciate y'all. I apologize for this video because I figure it's probably going to be crap again. But we're going to go with it. We're going to try. Watch old Dylan Miller prospecting after this. I appreciate you all. There's gold in there more than what you can see. But me and Millie's going to head up the hill. Y'all take care.